Hannover Rück is the third largest reinsurance company in the world. The IT service desk at their Hanover facility serves over 3,000 employees in answering questions relating to software and hardware at workstations. A direct room humidification system has been installed in their offices since the year 2014 in order to meet the requirements of the IT service workstations. The retrofitted air humidifying system provides protection for employees from the special stresses of intensive computer screen exposure and continuous call activity. Small, permanently installed humidifier nozzles add just the right amount of water hygienically to the room as needed. They are hardly noticeable and a significant improvement to the working conditions of the associates. Since I wear contact lenses and am working rather intensively in front of computer screens, I had a big problem with dry eyes. I've been feeling very comfortable in this office since we installed the air humidifying system, and I no longer have any complaints.